Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Apollo APO16000 Model 16000 overhead projector, then please visit the link provided in the description. The Apollo 16000 is one of those devices that reminds you that some technology never really goes out of style. While everyone is chasing the newest 4K, HDR, or laser projectors, this overhead projector quietly proves that simple, reliable design can still steal the show. Right out of the box, it commands attention with its 2000 lumen light output. That brightness is more than enough to fill a classroom, office, or creative studio with crisp, readable visuals. You place a transparency sheet on the glass stage, flip the switch, and suddenly your work, lesson, or presentation becomes the centerpiece of the room. Every line, letter, and diagram appears sharp, bold, and precise. No digital blur, no pixels, just pure clarity. The Apollo 16000's construction is built to last. This is the kind of hardware that can survive daily transport, accidental bumps, or intense workshop sessions. The foldable arm and compact design make it easy to store or move between locations. It's rugged, dependable, and engineered for users who need reliability more than gimmicks. Cooling is efficient thanks to the dual fan system, keeping the lamp at optimal performance. Even during long sessions, the projector runs smoothly without overheating. If the lamp ever needs replacement, it's easy to swap, with parts readily available. No chasing obsolete components or rare bulbs. A built-in thermal protection ensures the device shuts down safely if it gets too hot, giving peace of mind for long-term use. What sets this projector apart is its tactile, hands-on experience. Sliding transparencies across the glass stage feels interactive, almost like performing a live demonstration. Every flip, every adjustment is visible in real time, creating a sense of engagement that modern screens often lack. Teachers, artists, trainers, and retro tech enthusiasts will appreciate the immediacy and authenticity of this method. Unlike modern projectors, there are no firmware updates, software issues, or connectivity problems. You just switch it on and focus on your content. It's distraction-free, reliable, and timeless in design. For workshops, classroom lessons, design presentations, or creative tracing projects, this projector transforms simple visuals into a captivating experience. The Apollo 16000 proves that powerful projection doesn't need complexity. It's straightforward, effective, and carries a nostalgic charm that modern devices can rarely match. Whether you are teaching, illustrating, or presenting, this overhead projector remains a dependable ally. Check out the link in the description if you want to bring the Apollo 16000 into your space. It's a classic tool with a modern purpose, ready to make your presentations shine.